Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure Git is installed and your project is a workspace with Git initialized. This gives VS Code the history it needs. Open the Explorer and select a file, then open the timeline view from the sidebar or command palette. Once done, the timeline populates commits, file saves, and local changes. Make sure the file is tracked and not ignored. Otherwise, VS Code won't show entries. This step prepares the editor to surface historical events for that file. Once the timeline shows entries, click a specific commit or saved version to open a diff in the editor. VS Code will present a side-by-side comparison so you can see exactly what changed. You can navigate with the previous /next arrows or keyboard shortcuts to step through changes sequentially. Make sure to expand commit details to read messages and author info, and use the copy or apply hunk actions when you want to restore specific lines. This is how you inspect and recover. To finish, install Git Lens or a history extension if you need richer annotations, blame lines, and search across commits. Use command palette commands like git, show file history to get a complete log and jump to any commit. Once done, you can cherry pick, check out earlier versions, or create branches from old commits. If nothing appears, check that. Git exists in the workspace and that Git user. Email is configured. Resolving those common issues usually restores the timeline and history features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.